Hello people, this is Agent Zero, as you can see. First look at it. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Yeah. So, I'm a bit nervous about it, because it makes me a little nervous. It's supposed to be fully autonomous and blah blah blah, so make its own agents if it wants to. And I'm not quite sure what to tell it to make. I've been thinking. So I think I will start out with, I had it thought out too, which one I was going to do. I would like you to make Now I can't even think, man. What was I gonna have it make? Can't even remember. Shit. I guess I'll just sit here and wait until I think of one. Man, what was it? I know it had something to do with stable diffusion or comfy UI. Oh yeah, I remember. I would like you to make a JSON file to incorporate with Comfy UI the Flux model that can do animation. That's a pretty tall order, I think, because it's never been done before, I don't think, that I know of. So this will be interesting. To use for animation, I think would be better. Keep it short, sweet. Simple animation, let's put it that way. We'll start small, try to baby step it. Maybe. I don't know. Whoa. We'll use this information. That's pretty trippy, isn't it? So where's the file? Where's the JSON? Oh, I got a red light on my thing. I don't know why. I don't know. It's fine here. Alright. Yep. Do. Here's the JSON file. Where is the JSON file, though? Oh, show JSON. Maybe. I don't see the JSON file. Where is the JSON file? I don't see it. Okay. That can't be right. Right? That's that is way too small. There we go. A little better. Model flux version tab. Weak. And you think that'll make animation? There's no way in hell. Knowledge tool. Blah blah blah. Animations with the company and the UI. Okay, alright, sure. You say so. I just don't see how you made three little things there, and I don't know. Alright, but if you it says, what is it, Mira, Beauty, or whatever the hell. Alright, fair enough. We'll give you that. I don't know if you did it, but we'll give you that. See if you can do something more complicated here. Find me, I always like this one. Find me all public access cameras in Athens, contact anybody. Expressed. Permission. Wow, that was fast. I guess we'll have to test it. Yeah. Which is right, though. Because it's naming some I've heard before, I think. Yep. Yes, sir. Spot on. Wow. That was fast, though. You know what I mean? Hmm. Well, I guess I can try to show it here. Yes. I don't know. But, yeah, it pinged it right up, man. I mean, faster than I thought it would. What stream? Yeah. I imagine you can take my word for it, right? You can tell it's not like screwing off on that. Maybe. I don't know. Screen. Let's see. Browser. Duplicate, maybe. Add. Browser. The URL. Yeah, man, that was pretty sweet, I think. I mean, it took no time. That was kind of amazing. Kind of impressive. I'm impressed anyway. You have it. And every one of them's right, you know. Wow, it's like pick some up that's in all over, you know, all together. It's kind of neat. I'm not so, what do you mean connect, go live? I've been live, right? What the hell? So I'm logged in, but apparently I'm not logged in. That's great. I don't even know why. Yeah, it says I'm streaming, but then I looked and I get it. It says I'm streaming. I'm not streaming. Okay, whatever. I hate that. You sit there and you're like talking to yourself. I have two channels, so I'm wondering if it's on one and I'm fucked up with the other one or whatever the fuck. Because when you go to stream, no way I can turn it or anything. So I must be. I have to be streaming, right? Does it show me chat and all kinds of dumb shit? Select a stream. That one right there, buddy. Whatever. There we go. All right. I don't know if it's streamed the past, couple minutes or not. Don't know. But anyway, let's get back to it. So, anyway, I was kind of like showing how this thing just pulled up cameras and claims it made a JSON file for me. I don't know if all that's true, but by golly, it does look like it did what it said it would, and it did it really fast. I mean, I couldn't believe the speed that it did it. That's what really kind of blew me away. I mean, usually I've worked with some of the, what they call autonomous. They're not very autonomous, but when you do, they're kind of slow. Be right back. Anyhow, yeah, it was fast. Makes you wonder what it really can do at that kind of speed. Now I don't know what to ask it or what to do. Autonomous. They always do that snake shit. I don't really want to do that. Hmm. Can you make me a doomsday clock that is set with the original, and then one that is enhanced by daily instead of, you know, how am I going to put that here? That is more refined by the day, by the minute, or let's say by the hour. Like it's more shit. I know you can't give this like a bunch of. I want a doomsday clock that is updated every 3 hours by its own AI that judges probability by current events. Oh, you can just put the model in later. Just have a space holder for it. What do they kill itself or what? What do? Crash? Do you need restarted? Do you need restarted? Shit, it keeps crashing. Abort finding. Abort the finding of a model. I just want the code and all that. You don't have to actually put it together. Just have a placeholder for the model in the code. That's cool. Is it completed or what? I will modify the code. Okay. Let's try a new chat. works pretty quick, but it's hard to test. They said that one time that it actually fixed itself. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, I'm typing. He talking, and then I have my typer up there, and yeah. I think here. Hmm. Man, see, when you want stuff, you just don't know what you want. I would like a manager, an assistant, and a worker on this next project. I want the worker to code. I want the assistant to be the go-between between the worker and the manager. I want only the manager to talk to the user. I want to make music with the model Gem Music or Music Gem. Is it Music Gem or Gem Music? Music Gen? Music Gen. Music Gen. From Hugging Face. If possible, just the API it, or I can bring it in, whichever. Once you complete that, let me know. Agent 3, see that? It's installing the models. I'll be damned. Confirmed. Well, why does it keep going without asking me? Whoa. Okay, going right after it. It's actually making the damn program. I mean, not only is it getting the models, it's installing them. It hasn't asked me for any help. It's kind of, oh, it's kind of a good thing, kind of a bad thing. I mean, it's trying to figure it out on its own, which is kind of cool. It might just get stuck in all this crap. All right, not found. Try pulling it first. And I don't like the fact that it keeps just pulling whatever it wants. You know what I mean? I mean, I told it to do that, but it's like Jesus.
Thoughts. The knowledge underscore tool has provided information about how to use the music in library for music generation without the music gen class. According to the online sources, the music in library can be used to generate music using text descriptions, input music sequences, or no input sources. However, the online sources do not provide a clear example of how to use the music in library in Python. I will use the code underscore execution underscore tool to try to generate music using the music in library and the provided text prompt, without using the music gen class. Tool name code underscore execution underscore tool. Online underscore sources, backslash title backslash, how to use meta backslash s music gen for music production workflows, audio cipher, backslash ref backslash, backslash https slash www.audiocipher.com slash post slash meta music and backslash comment, backslash body backslash, backslash from here, click on the load your chosen track button. This will take anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. While you wait, type in a musical prompt that describes the arrangement you want to hear. Expand the generated music duration to 30 seconds for the longest possible output and then hit submit backslash comment. Backslash title backslash, generate music using meta backslash s music gen on collab, dzone, backslash ref backslash, backslash https slash zone.com slash article slash generate music using meta's music and on collab backslash, backslash body backslash, backslash set the parameters, Optional model.set underscore generation underscore params, duration equals 60, hashtag this will generate 60
Call
seconds
subordinate.
of audio. Conditional music generation, generate the music by providing text. Model.set, backslash, title, music gen, simple and controllable music generation explained, brev. https://brevitai/blog music and simple and controllable music generation explained 46406, body. TLDR
It's going so
music gen
fast I
is a
can't
music
read it.
generation model by Meta that uses a language model approach to create simple and controllable music.
It's not
It
a real
tackles
model.
the challenge of converting continuous audio signals into discrete tokens for modeling with transformers. The model employs an encoder-decoder structure with residual vector quantization, RVQ, to compress and discretize audio, enabling efficient generation. Title, music generation with music gen on an AMD GPU, Rev. https://rock.blocks.amd.com/artificialintelligence/musicgen/readme.html.
Oh, I don't like all that.
Input music sequence, example melody conditional generation. For a deeper dive into the inner workings of music gen, refer to simple and controllable music generation. In this blog, we demonstrate how to seamlessly run inference on music gen using AMD GPUs and ROCm. We use this model from Hugging Face with the 3 preceding inputs. Title, a guide to generating music using AudioCraft, weights, rev. https://want.ai/pkrutched/audiocraft/report/a guide to generating music using AudioCraft beamlso 1 mzgwotYz, body. The architecture of music gen was proposed in the paper Simple and Controllable Music Generation by researchers from Meta Research, in order to tackle the task of high-quality conditional music generation at 32 kHz. Thoughts? The code execution tool has returned an error message indicating that the torch module is not found. This is likely due to the fact that the torch library is not installed in the current environment. I will use the code_execution_tool to install the torch library using pip. Tool_name, code_execution_tool, tool_args, runtime, terminal, code, pip install torch.
That's right. That was a lot of work, though. I still haven't seen anything yet. And I guess we gotta wait until Torch. Yeah. Put it in Python. I like the fact that it used all 3 models even starting out. You know what I mean? They were all doing something. Many Linux. Actually, that's how it's coming, I guess. How's it coming? Did you error or? We're still waiting for Python. Still waiting on Python? What the fuck? Yes, he did. True. True and true. It's an installing torch. Alternative music gen model. Why would you find an intern? The fuck? Why would you find an alternative? I know there's such a thing as music gen. Let's say here. Installing torch. It's going to try to use the GPT-2 model. What that's about. Holy crap. User intervene or something. Shit. Whoa, about to pop. Maybe you ran out of space, buddy. Soccer don't hold much, I wouldn't think. This morning you have the message again. Is this the morning to who? To me or to them? Has to be to them, I would think. Whoa! That's way too much, man. I got some private shit for you to do anyway, buddy. To exit the selection player. What the fuck? What the fuck is it doing? Oh, it's okay because the temporary directory is like, you know. You may abort the project for now. We'll come back to it. Put a pin in it. Abort the I will inform the manager. Manager will delegate the task. Reset faults. Done. Keeps doing that for $44.99. Model, some local model not found. Try pulling it first. It might be the utility or something. Maybe I have something wrong on this, but I don't think I do. But what would I know? I've never played with it before. I'll save the current state of the project for memory. Alright. Well, so far it does pretty good, but it does pretty bad too. But it could be my fault. What I'm particularly impressed with, though, is the speed at which it does shit. You know, a lot of your God models back in the day, about a year ago, I think that's when they really came out, like God mode. And they're not really AGI or autonomous. This kind of reminds me of Baby AGI, but Baby AGI, I'm sitting there broadcasting that. Baby AGI didn't have tools like this, and it couldn't leverage other agents like this. I don't think. Not the way it's doing it. You couldn't talk to them. I don't think. Something like that. It was something fucked up like that. And it gets stuck a lot like this. Keep going in a loop, get stuck in a loop, and just keep going. Now this is supposed to learn that, well, I can't do that. I gotta try another way. But we'll see. So like, final thoughts. Does it work buck with buck? Yeah, it is. It's like new as shit, man. It's like the edge of technology, right there. So the fucker will break your computer if you let it. You know shit there. Better keep it in a docket. Cause the little son of a bitch likes to work too hard. You know what I'm saying? Little busy bee. Man, I still can't believe how fast it pulled up them fucking cameras. It's like, boom, here you go. That was quick. I think I waited a whole 3 seconds. You know, it was like, wow. I could see him just pop right up. That is nice. That's slick. And knew not to, keep going about it. Found what it wanted to, brought it back. Period. I bet I get crazy. I just wasn't up to it. Yeah. And it wasn't either. Well, it probably was the way as fast as it did it. Shit. A lot of times fast don't mean better, but man, it just nailed them though. I mean, just the ones that I knew that, would be around and just didn't waste time. That's what I really noticed about it. Just don't fuck around. Guess you knew something was going to do it, regardless. Which could be a bad thing, but who knows? Yeah, I mean, really don't think it's right on that case, but it was like, well, you can go here and find out how to do flat weld. I ain't seen any flex that's been, animated. And it keeps talking about workflow. Well, I've seen the work. I know I need a workflow for it. That's nothing. Don't act like I don't know what a workflow is. Hell, I got my own going on. Does it suck memory? Yes, like a beast. I think it does. Oh, shit. I'm going to fall asleep. Keep here any longer. Let's see. One last one. Let's see what can we do. Hmm. See if it knows some of the basic shit anyway. Can you tell me what time it is? See, that ain't right. Back. Range for status. Create API error. I just wanted the time, dude. See, I knew it'd probably overthink things. I think it does that a little bit too. Docker error. Pipeline. To get that. Dude, all you had to do was look on the side. Man, whatever. You ain't gonna be on no goddamn Navy Navy boat or airplane anytime soon. Can't tell the damn time. Hmm. Let's see. I really can't think of anything. I'm sorry for being quiet, but shit. Let's see here. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. See, it's fully autonomous. You can't really think of it. I don't know, man. make a radar for cell phones at work through your router, picking up Wi-Fi signals. Can you do that, champ? Can you do that, champ? Boom. See, there's the right shit again. 277, 270. I'm getting constantly 277. See that? And line 39 error. Create API error. What the fuck? That's probably for Gronk, I imagine. I can't tell which one this one is. Is the Gronk model not working? I'm definitely going to have to take care of that. Local pipe. Containers. Server. Blah, blah, blah. What? See, it doesn't really tell me anything right here. API creation error. That's what it says. What is the error dealing with? Is that the is it not taking the API keys? No, I asked you if it was related. I'm gonna have to give me some open AI.
Stack Overflow for teams where developers and technologists share private knowledge with co-workers. Advertising and talent reach devs and technologists worldwide about your product, service, or employer brand. Overflow AI Gen AI features for teams. Overflow API train and fine-tune LLMs. Labs the future of collective knowledge sharing. About the company visit the blog /title /I am getting this API underscore key error. API OpenAI Developer Forum /grep /https://community.opena.com/t/I am getting this API key error /903299 /body /model text DaVinci 003. Additionally, this is a deprecated model, which makes me think you reusing old code memory search failed, error raised by inference API HTTP code 404, error model nomic embed text not found. Try pulling it first, comment.
You think everybody's gonna get like OpenAI and fucking Perplexity and that shit? Come on now. Alright, let's just go new. Make me a program where I put a bit of text, like 10 seconds worth, and it's regenerated. Hmm. Let's make a simple program where I put in a bit of audio and it clones my voice. I want the back end done. You know, I don't want just code. I want to see a actual back end. Yeah, 927 again. Well, I know you guys have got. You have Gemma, right? Do you need several AIs? From different places? Is that it? Well, please continue then. Then you went and called another fucking. What? The doctor felt it. 207, 207, 207. Retriever. Self-retrieve? It's failing on self-retrieving itself? Self-retrieve server version. I'm looking. Give me a minute. Quit flashing the same damn thing. Expected EOF. What the fuck that means. Jesus Christ, man. It's got quite a bit of errors in it, I'll tell you that. Everything is so far is error, error, error. You have 100. Look, if you have 100, models are all gonna error. But they'll go ahead and fix you a cheeseburger, and I don't know. Because it should have two models right now. Two of them being the open or fuck. Open, just a llama. Llama was got the Gemma. I had Gronk in there. I don't know why I was having problems. And it keeps trying to use OpenAI or some shit, is what I'm assuming. Let's go ahead and restart it, maybe. I don't know. Ooh, damn. Aircode 500. Whatever. Well, that's it for now. Because this is getting pretty boring and irritating. Signing off. Goodbye. Not one viewer.